What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm not gonna open up any product, but I am gonna take you back because yesterday we opened up a product that was absolutely unbelievable. I had to bring it to the channel for you guys that missed it. We opened up a case of 2022 Leaf in the game used sports, a whole case, 10 boxes of these, and it was absolutely crazy. And I was like, man, I gotta bring this to the channel so you guys could see what to expect if you do get a box of this. We opened up 10 boxes, so it kind of gives you you know, a little bit of what to expect basically if you do end up getting a box. These are going for around $350. I've seen them as low as $325, even close to $300, but I think they're like in the $350 mark. I opened up a box for myself to show everyone what they could expect live yesterday, and these were my cards right here. It was absolutely insane. So we started off with a Bo Bichette 1 out of 4. That is a game used glove or a shoe. It says Soul Man, so I believe that's either a shoe or a glove, but everything in this product is game used. So that was unbelievable right there. And then we had a ticket of Justin Fields. So this ticket right here was a game that Justin Fields played in. There is the back of the card. I was like, man, this stuff is crazy. Not only that though, we had a Lamar Jackson autographed game used jersey as well, 9 out of 15. Like that, I was just like, what? Lamar Jackson auto? I think this is the first ever Lamar Jackson auto I actually pull. And then not only that, we pulled a Trevor Lawrence auto as well with a game used ticket, or a game, I guess a game used ticket, right? That is a ticket that was part of Trevor Lawrence's college career right there. There's the back. And to finish it all off, I was absolutely going nuts when I pulled this card right here. That's a Pele, Maradona, Messi, and David Beckham game used jerseys. I was absolutely going crazy. I was gonna auction off these cards, but I was like, man, I gotta keep this one. I gotta keep these cards for myself, because man, I probably gonna auction them off next time I go live. This card I might just keep for myself for my PC, because that is pretty awesome. A game used Pele jersey. As you guys know, Pele unfortunately passed away, but that was in my box, and I decided to open up a whole case in a break. So that is what you guys are going to see here today. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit this video with a like in the comments down below. Let me know what you think overall about the product. Like I said, it was absolutely crazy to me, but you guys got to see it for yourselves. So without further ado, let's get into that break. Full case. Good luck, guys. Man, I'm excited. No, those cards go to the... Wait, what? Wait, does 0 get all the 1 to 9 cards? No, 0 will get if anything's not numbered. Like card numbered or serial numbered. So there you go, 10 boxes. But I don't know if everything is numbered in this product. That's what I mean. Yeah, 10, 20, yeah, that stuff, yep. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Man, it's gonna be in here. Oh my gosh, what is this stuff? What is this? What are we doing here? Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. Don't want to come out. They don't want to come out. Why doesn't it want to come out? It's like stuck. Oh, there it is. my gosh. So there's the 0 spot. 10 out of 20, Larry Bird, Pete Maravich, game used. Going to Daniel B. But look at this. Barry Sanders, Tony Dorsett, 2 of 3, going to the 2 spot, Ernest. There you go, Ernest. What is in here? Kevin McHale, 1 of 2, going to the 1 spot. David L. Going to the 1 spot right there. Five of 30, Thurman Munson. 5 spot, Rasheem. Thurman Munson, game used. Look at this. Grand Salami, 6. Jeff Kent, Gary Sheffield, Don Baylor, Ernie Banks, Adam Dunn, and Rafael Palmero, sorry. And that is numbered 8. That's 10 out of 20. Is that 10? Yeah, 10 out of 20. Going to the 0 spot. Sheesh. There it is, 0 spot. Next up. Oh, man, this is crazy. I am gonna top load everything at the end just to save some time here, guys. Well, some of you guys are already seeing your hits here. I mean, there's no way to hide it. Paul Canerco, 6 of 25, 6 spot, Hunter G. There you go, Hunter. Christian McCaffrey, rookie ticket. Going to the 1 spot. David L. Got the 1 spot right there. Christian McCaffrey on the rookie ticket. What the heck is this? Can you even read those names? I can't even read those names. We're gonna have to flip it to the back. Joe Namath, Gale Sayers, Edwin James, Tim Brown, Chris Carter, Bob Hayes. And that is numbered 22 out of 30. 2 spot. Ernest. Ernest with the hit there. This stuff is crazy. See that 2 spot? 2 spot Ernest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, come out of here. All right, we're going to start off with this one. Dual relic, Grant Hill and Christian Latner. 17 out of 45. 7 spot, Jared H. And then we have Emmett Smith, 20 out of 35, 0 spot, Daniel B. Leitner. I'm going to try to get this card out because it looks like it's... There it is. Zero spot is Eden. That jersey looks dirty. Look at that jersey. Oh my gosh. All right, keep it going. I wish they would have like hit the hits, you know what I mean? So we won't spoil it for everyone, but that's not the case here. We're gonna have to like spoil some hits. Oh, well, we see that one back there. $29 out of 30, 9 spot, Thurman Munson, Justin R. On the captains. Larry Bird, 38 out of 50. Ring 4 liters. And remember, this is all game used memorabilia, guys. All game used memorabilia. Game used memorabilia. 38 out of 50. 8 spot Michael T. Wow. 23 out of 45. Whitey Ford, Yogi Berra, Pete Rose, George Brett, Barry Bonds, Ken Griffey Jr., Cal Ripken Jr., and Ricky Henderson. How is it that they put game used jerseys of every single one of these guys in the card? 23, 3 spot, Darius B. Like how? Like how? This stuff's insane. Five out of 45 Rasheem, Reggie Jackson, Thurman Munson, and Greg Nettles. Remember, everything is game used. Game used memorabilia jerseys there. 5 spot. And then look at this. Look at this. 1 of 2 Joe Montana Super Swatch signatures. David L. We're not even halfway there, guys. Is that a Haley Deegan? Oh, this thing's annoying. That's one thing that I find annoying about this product, maybe. If I could think of one thing, that's it right there. Jerry Rice, 1 of 8. 1 spot. These things are thick too. Got some thicky thickies. Keith Hernandez, 28 out of 45. 8 spot, Michael T. Wow. How do you even put all these, man? What? Steve Zerman, Jerome Bettis, Gary Payton, Frank Thomas, Reggie Jackson, Bo Jackson, Ray Allen, and Ted. What does that say? Let's say? What? One of 9, 1 spot, David L. Like, what the heck? Yo, what? We got a Haley Deegan, 4 of 12 auto. 4 spot, Justin H. And a Juan Soto, 10. Is that 10? Is that 18 or 10? That's 10. 10 out of 15 auto. That is 10, right? That's 10, right? Yeah, 10. 0 spot, Daniel B. Still got 6 boxes left, guys. So, honest opinion, what do you guys think so far? What do you guys think about the product? This stuff is crazy. The only negative, what the heck? I don't like this whole sticker thing going on. Oh my gosh. You guys saw that? Stuff's crazy. The only thing is, I wish they would have at least like covered it. 2 out of 15, Dave Parker. Two spot. Dan Marino. What is that, 50? 50 out of 50. 0 spot, Daniel B. Joe DiMaggio, Arnold Palmer, Mike Tyson, Barry Sanders, Mario Lemieux, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Diego Maradona, and Martina. I'm not even gonna try to. I think she's a tennis player though. 4 of 12. 4 spot, Justin H. Like, it's so crazy how this stuff is just game used, like, what the heck? Such random combos, right? Such random combos. It's legendary. The legendary 200. Oh man, this is sick. Kobe Bryant and Kevin Durant. 38, 8 spot, Michael T. Game used memorabilia. Kobe had that jersey on. That is insane. That is sick. And the Sandy Koufax 5 of 10, 5 spot, Rasheem. Once upon a time in LA. Finally got an auto. Rookie year, he wore 8. Yep. Rest in peace, Black Mamba. We see the card in front. Oh my gosh. This thing's thick too. What the, oh my gosh. Stuff gets stuck. Come on, there it is. Oh man, it's so hard to hide the hits. Mike Tyson, 21 out of 35. One spot. Daniel Al. That picture that they use though. Patrick Mahomes rookie ticket. That is going to go to the 9 spot. Justin R. Erling Haaland, Robert Lewandowski, Jude Bellingham, and Mbappe. 5 of 35. Rasheem. Look at this card right here. Wow, what is this? Roger Craig and Joe Montana, 5 of 6. Rasheem. What the heck? This thing is thick. Look how thick this card is. Oh my gosh. I don't even think that fits a sleeve, but look at right behind it. Kobe Bryant, Vince Carter, 35 of 45 spot. Rasheem just kind of like basically ate that whole box. Five just literally took that whole box. I don't even think this thing fits in the thick card sleeve. That doesn't fit in the thick card sleeve. We're gonna have to find a safe place for that one. Man, stuff's crazy. I'll buy the Kobe for 200 with Vince Carter, says Herman. Boom, there you go. You got a buyer. Vince Carter and Kobe. Easier. Keith Hernandez, 34 of 40, 4 spot, Justin H. David Ortiz, ringleaders. That is going to be 2 out of 25, 2 spot Ernest. Yeah, I'm going to do that, Tina. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cause that thing is super thick. 2 out of 25, 2 spot David Ortiz. Mickey Mantle, Joe Namath. Who was that? Can't really read that one right there. Can't really read the last two. But that is 1 of 1. Gene Segura? Right? Gene Segura? And who's the other one? Floyd Patterson? I think that's Floyd Patterson. That's a 1 of 1 though. Is it? Oh yeah, you got it right. Yeah, it's that the what Rascal said. Gene Sarazen. I don't know who the last one is. Floyd something. That's a 1 of 1 though. Floyd Patterson, yeah. A boxer. 1 of 1. Bob Greasy, 46 out of 65, 6 spot, Hunter G. And Sammy Sosa, 34 out of 75, 4 spot, Justin H. We only got 3 more boxes left, guys. Another golfer up on front there. Man, they could have done a better way to package this stuff, right? Bill Dickey, 11 out of 45, 1 spot, David L. Drew Bledsoe, 33 out of 50, 3 spot, Darius B. Yeah, I know. It's a little tough to get the cards out, and then I don't like the fact that they don't hide it. So, like, when it comes to breaks, I like hiding the hits, but you see them right away. Well, at least some of them. 3 spot, Darius B on the Drew Bledsoe. What is this? Grand Salami, Babe Ruth game used bat, Dave Kingham, Ken Griffey, Albert Pujols, Jason Giambi, Gale Hodge. That is numbered 6 of 9, 6 spot, Hunter G. How do they, man? I'm at all, guys. I'm literally like shocked. How is this possible, bro? That's crazy to me. That's crazy. Game used bat of Babe Ruth? What? Babe Ruth used that bat? That amazes me. It really does. Bryson DeChambeau, 41 out of 65, 1 spot, David L. And a Robin Yount, 4 of 9, going to the 4 spot, Justin H. You got 2 more boxes left, guys. My gosh, this stuff is crazy. 2 boxes left. Hey, we got a... Oh my gosh. Well, you guys see it already. You guys see it already. I wish it was a secret. You guys see who it is already. Bo Jackson, 13 out of 45, 3 spot. Darius B. Magic Johnson, 8 out of 20, 8 spot. Michael T. This Frank Robinson, Johnny Bench, Bob Gibson, Mel Ott, Willie McCovey, Duke Snyder, Joe Morgan, Eddie Matthews. 16 out of 20, 6 spot. Hunter G. A lot of 4s too. Got 41, 4, 44, 45, 4. Bunch of 4s. Well, this is the card you guys wanted from my box. Trevor Lawrence on the rookie ticket signature. And that is going to the 1 spot. Not numbered, but the card number is TL1, 1 spot. David L. And we got another Haley Diganado. That's going to be 6 of 6. Yep, 6 of 6. Haley Deegan. That's 6 of 6. 6 spot. Hunter G. All right, final box. Final box of the break. How the heck? This card's insane. Oh my gosh. Bruce Lee. A freaking Bruce Lee. Oh my gosh, what is this card? Oh my gosh, what is this? Bruce Lee, 4 of 9. 4 spot, Justin H. That's crazy. That is so cool, dude. That is so cool. Oh man, this stuff is so much fun to rip. Bruce Lee, 4 of 9. That is so sick. It says game used memorabilia, which is funny. Game used memorabilia. Ronald Acuna, 7 of 35, 7 spot. Jared H. Jared H. I guess it's fight used, yeah. Damn, look at this. Oh, man. 5 of 20. Kobe Bryant, Julius Erving, Scottie Pippen, Dominique Wilkins, Clyde Drexler, and Bernard King. Man. Damn. 5 of 20. Rasheem. And then look at this card, guys. Like how? 3 out of 15. Darius B. Memorabilia Madness. Like what the heck? Like what? Like how do they? Memorabilia Madness. That's going to Darius. That one's too thick also. We're going to have to put that one back in the jewel case. And the final card of the break is going to be a Frank Thomas 14 out of 35 4 spot. Justin H. And that is the break. That is the break, guys. There it is, guys. What do you guys think? I know this video was a little long because that break did go a little long, opening 10 boxes. But like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. It was absolutely crazy in my opinion. But like I said, I'm always reading your comments and I'm always wondering what you guys think about these new release product that Leaf comes out with. Like I said, I love it, but I'm always interested to know what you guys think about it. But that is going to do it all for me today. Thank you guys for watching this one. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I rip baseball, basketball, and football on here. Ring that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post new videos up or whenever I go live every Mondays and Thursdays starting at 7 p.m. Central. But that is going to do it for me today. Thank you all for watching this one. I hope everyone has a blessed rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.